Okay. If there's nothing touching the end of this word, what would touch the end of the word? Something, yes? Noon. Noon would touch that. Why? Noon or niswa. We call this the noon of the niswa. What is niswa? Niswa means women. Or the noon of ta'keed, what means emphasis. So if we're not saying yaf'alanna, I'm going to definitely do that thing. If it doesn't have or yaf'alna, or if we say yaf'alna like that, either one of those, this noon is entered on the end of it. The first one means this is meaning the women are doing that act, and the other one means it's emphasizing the action. Okay? If it's like that, then it's not going to be dhamma as a sign for raf'i for it. But if nothing is touching it, lam yattasil, nothing is touching the end of it, then it is a word that's going to have dhamma at the end of it as a sign that this is raf'un. That's a simple rule, but you have to think about that. Okay? Remember, some words have something on the end of it. Or the alif al-ithnan. It's yafalani, the two men. Yaf'alani. So now you have alif of ithnan, meaning the alif that means two people are doing it. Right? So when you have that, you can't have dhamma as a sign for raf'i on it. So that being the case, only the reason why he said this, and the reason is that there's nothing to be touching on this. That's the point. I said the reason. The point is there should be nothing touching the end of this word for it to have a dhamma at the end of it to point to that it is a sign of raf'i. Does that make sense? That's just explaining the line. كَذَا الْمُضَارِعُ الَّذِي لَمْ يَتَّصِلْ. Likewise, the mudari. Because remember, it started off by saying, ضَمٌ فَارْفَعْ بِضَمٍ. Make a dhamma, a sign of raf'i, fi mufrad al-asma, to the singular ism. Like Zayd. What do you say? Zaydun. Right? كَجَاءَ زَيْدٌ صَاحِبُ الْعَلَاءِ وَارْفَعْ بِهِ مُكَسِّرًا. And then you have a plural that is broken, a broken plural. Like babun or abwab. Because any change in the word makes it a broken plural. Okay? نظف الأرض. Then it says, كذا المضارع جمع مؤنثة. Then it says a plural that is from the women. Solid, sound, plural. Like Muslim, ma, right? And Muslim, matun. Okay? So the dhamma is a sign for the sound, plural of women. Okay? And it's time for the call and adhan, so I'm going to have to stop here. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.